What's up, everybody? This is Fire Hands Blazing. I'm going to show you what the setup will look like when you get done setting up the Pvr2. You probably already know what this is. It came out like 2 years ago, and this is still a good game recorder. You can do live stream. If you don't know what the box look like, I have a original box. This is what the original box will look like when you get it. The Happauge Pvr2 Gaming Edition. But you can hook up your PS4 with it, PS3, PlayStation 4. You know, exactly. You can hook up anything with it. But let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna need is the PVR. First thing we're gonna do is set up your TV. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your HDMI cable. You're gonna grab that and plug it into the back of HDMI out. Your HDMI out, people. Alright. Next thing you know, you go to the back of your TV. Alright. Here's my TV. Alright. So you just plug it into one of the HDMI cables. So I'm gonna pick this one. Alright, next up, you're gonna take your video game console. You're gonna take that and take the cable. I'm doing the Xbox One right here, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my Xbox One cable and put it into the HDMI in. Okay, the one on the left is HDMI out, the one on the right is HDMI in, and your USB. What you would do is take your USB and plug it into your computer. I got a laptop right here. It's a HP Envy DV6. It's a little old, but it's got an A4. It's got an A4 HD processor. This thing does record at 60 frames a second, but YouTube don't want nobody to. It doesn't render the videos at 60 frames per second. I think it does it at 30. But your video quality will be reduced a little bit, but it ain't gonna bother you too much. But now you take your power outlet. You're gonna need a power outlet for this one because this one takes it. So you just plug it in and plug the power outlet in to the wall. It's self-explanatory. You take that, plug it into the wall, and bam, you're ready to go. So next up, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your CD and install that, the Pvr2 CD, and it's gonna look like that, gaming edition or whatever one you have. You can pause the video right now and just pause it. Alright, after you pause the video, this is what you're gonna see right here. You're gonna see a screen look like this. It says capture, edit, YouTube, stream ease. But yeah, I'm currently on Windows 8 right now, and I'm just giving that a try, trying it on Windows 8. I will do more videos in the future about my settings and everything else, but what you do is go to capture. It will say no device found. It will say that because my Xbox is turned off. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn to the channel that you have your game system set on. You're gonna turn that on. Alright, so, and wham. Okay, my Xbox One is on, right? Okay, so, what you're gonna do is, I'm gonna give it a second because sometimes it don't run like it's supposed to. So you just have to just give it a chance. So now, you make sure everything's connected in here. Come on, bear with me. Well, sometimes the software is a little buggy, but once you get it started, once you get the software up and running and everything, it should be ready to go. And I think it is. Come on, don't do this to me today. There we go. Okay. So now you should be able to record. Should be able to record everything up here. And now it went black like that. I don't know why it went black like that. Shit. Damn. Technical difficulties, man. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Technical difficulties. Sorry about that zoom in, but yeah, yeah, when you get done, it'll look like this, but you'll see it. That'll come up in a second. There you go. It'll come up on my screen on my laptop. Let me close these blinds right quick. I'm sorry about that. But that's what it'll look like. And you should be ready to record. What you'll do is when you record, you're gonna want to make sure that everything is working. So what you're gonna do is do a test record. Like right now, I'm doing a test record. And after you do your test record, go ahead and just make sure this thing is lit up green. I guess I ain't got something set up right. Hold on, give me a second. Alright, there you go. It'll light up green like that when it records. And then it'll say stop. Sometimes it takes a few seconds to get it to start, but it should be good to go. This is A-Rail signing out, and like, comment, and subscribe. But if you have any questions, post it in the comment below, and I'll see y'all next time. A-Rail signing out. Peace.